hang on. So today we have the Premium Car Wash located in Uxbridge, and we're going to try out their automatic bay. Okay, here's your wash options, 7, 9, and 12, and as always we'll be getting the Premium Plus for 12. Anyways, here's the money machine, capture to continue.
Purchase wash or enter foot screen.
Here we
Please
go.
select the wash package.
12. Should work now. What is it? Ask
Would
you.
you like a receipt?
Yes.
Or no? Please proceed into the wash.
Okay, we can go on into a wash. Doors are opening. And looks like we have a PDQ Tandem RiteTouch with Ryko's Thrust Pro Dryer. Manpower Tri foam smells really good. Bubblegum. It smells like bubble gum. Am I going to interrupt? this is the surface protective. Guess I'm waiting on a dryer time. Even though there wasn't any timer. I know I gotta go over there. So yeah, I guess maybe I can park here. Yeah, I should. This wash takes a while. Anyways, let's take a look and see how well I've washed it. So if we clean my tires really well, the tire scrubber really worked. Got all tires did well on the sides. Didn't do well on the back. I guess I'm running out of dryer time. Left a little bit of soap. Back from a little bit of blue soap on well. So yeah, the tires didn't do well on the back. I guess I'm running out of dryer time. It took so long, I didn't know how many seconds. There's a little bit of blue spot here. In the back tires really well. Drive did well on the sides, except here. It did well on the front. And then got most of the bolts off the car. So this wash did a really nice job. And I highly recommend it. Here's the exit bay. Anyways, I'm going to get going now. So yeah, I'm thinking there used to be a Ryko system due to the Frost Pro dryer that is here. Anyways, I think that'll be it for me. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it. Okay everyone, we are back home right now. And what I noticed about the car wash, the water had dried up, but it left a little bit of blue spots on the car where the blue trifoam, wrappable trifoam that dried on. You can see it here and on a little bit of more on the dirt too. But despite that, and a little bit here on the mirrors as well, and you can see a little bit of running too. But despite that, the water dried without any spots, so the spot-free rinse coverage was really good actually, which is the main thing. Except here where most stuff, like more wrappable trifoam. And on the back, a little bit of spots where the soap, wrappable soap used to be, and it dried. And right here too. So yeah, anyways, despite all the blue wrappable trifoam, I should say, the water dried up without any spots on the car, so the spot-free rinse coverage was really good. but the light had burned down. So yeah, not bad for a PDQ Tandem RiteTouch. I'm guessing there used to be a Ryko system in there due to the Frost Pro dryer that you saw. It did a wonderful job, by the way. I really like the Frost Pro dryer. So yeah, that concludes this wash. So yeah, before I end this video, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who always subscribing to me, because I'm almost at 200 subscribers. So this is the early 200 subscribers special for my car wash video. So yeah, if I get 200 subscribers before my next video, I want to say a huge thank you for everyone who's subscribing to me. Like, wow, it really went by really quick when I first reached 100 subscribers. But now, since like when I went to a CP holiday train when I got it. So yeah, I want to say once again a huge thank you everyone who's subscribing to me and watching these videos. So yeah, more videos are on the way soon. Anyways, I think that'll be it for me. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video as always. And that will be it.